This challah, made with sourdough starter, is delicious, a good-looking bread, and very easy to make. A great bread for this Easter season. Enjoy! To start this recipe, pour in the bowl of a stand mixer 240 grams or 1 cup of water. Add 75 grams or a third of a cup of vegetable oil, 150 grams or 3 large eggs, 100 grams or half a cup of sugar, and 10 grams or 2 teaspoons of sea salt. Use the hook attachment to mix the ingredients well, and then add 100 grams or a third of a cup of sourdough starter at 50% hydration. Mix the ingredients well until the sourdough starter starts to dilute with the rest of the ingredients. Add 700 grams or 5 1/4 cups of bread flour. Knead all the ingredients in the stand mixer for about 30 minutes or until the dough is soft, elastic, and it doesn't stick to the walls of the bowl. Get the dough out of the bowl and form a ball of dough with your hands. Place the dough in a grease-proofing bowl and let it proof in a warm place for about 8 hours. After 8 hours, get the dough out of the bowl and divide the dough in 6 equal pieces. Make a roll of dough of about 5 inches or 12 centimeters and let the dough rest for about 10 minutes, covered with a towel. Now, extend the dough with both of your hands until you get a long roll of dough of about 17 inches or 45 centimeters. Once you have your 6 long logs of dough, bring them together on one of the extremes and press well with your hands so they stick together. To braid the challah, bring the extremes of the dough to the size of the base of the braid. Then, bring the first side into the middle of the remaining 4 pieces of dough. Now, bring one of the extremes of the dough to the opposite side of the braid. Repeat the same process, bringing one of the base sides into the center of the other 4 pieces of dough, and then the extreme of the dough to the opposite side of the braid. As you can see, this process is not difficult. You just have to make sure to pay attention to follow the same pattern to finish the braid. When your braid is ready, place it on a prepared baking sheet with parchment paper or a silicone mat. Brush the dough with egg wash and cover with a plastic lid or a plastic wrap. Let the dough proof for about 2 more hours. After 2 hours, brush the dough with egg wash again and sprinkle the dough with sesame seeds. Place the dough in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 45 minutes or until the bread is golden brown. When your bread is ready, wait at least 30 minutes before you slice it. This bread is very easy to make, looks incredible, it is delicious and a great option for a French toast. Enjoy! Hey, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on the like button. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And I'll see you at the next video.